Hello and welcome. Today we are here to show you how to unbox and get started with Havells range-topping Endura 3-jar juicer mixer grinder. With easy to follow steps, we will demonstrate how best to use all of its many innovative and smart features. Cut straight through the tape to free the box flaps. Once that's done, it's finally time to open the box and have a look inside. As you open the box, the first thing you will find is the user manual. Read it carefully to know all the basic precautions and instructions for best results with your Endura 3-jar juicer mixer grinder. Below that will be the main unit of your brand new Endura 3-jar juicer mixer grinder. Carefully unravel the protective packaging and take a first look at a revolutionary new product. With a 3-jar combo and 3-speed control, Endura 3-jar juicer mixer grinder is designed for versatility, ready to perform any juicing and grinding task. The 3 jars included in package with the Endura 3-jar juicer mixer grinder include 2 stainless steel jars and 1 polycarbonate blender jar, all of which are made to exacting standards. In fact, the 1.75-litre liquidizing jar is bigger than any other offered in the country. Now that's a winning proposition. The liquidizing jar also has a simple-to-read quantity indicator. The Endura 3-jar juicer mixer grinder also excels as a juicer, fully capable of juicing fruits and vegetables. One of the smartest features in the Endura 3-jar juicer mixer grinder is the oval-shaped feeder tube, which lets you put in fruits and vegetables without even cutting them. So easy, it's unbelievable. The Endura 3-jar also has a pulse function for convenient working during operations like ice crushing, blending, etc. Included also is a 400ml chutney jar, which is perfect for those times when you feel like combining your food with your favorite homemade chutneys and dips. Make sure your hands are on the lid while your chutney is being prepared. Also included is a 1-litre grinding jar with both wet and dry grinding facilities, which is perfectly designed to grind your ingredients to a paste or powder with minimum fuss. Make sure your hands are on the jar lid while the grinding is in process. There's also a 1.75-litre blending jar letting you whip up milkshakes and drinks in a jiffy. The hands-free operation allows you to multitask while your milkshake is getting ready. Its juicing system also incorporates a trend-setting large online pulp container to let you extract just the kind of juice you like. The juicer also has a stainless steel juicer mesh which minimizes waste and increases the speed of juicing. Endura 3-jar juicer mixer grinder operates on 500 watt and comes equipped with the standard 6 ampere 2-pin plug top. The system also comes with a fail-safe overload protector. This unit protects the appliance from any undue stress and provides protection to the motor. If Havells' innate superior quality wasn't enough of an assurance, the Endura 3-jar juicer mixer grinder also comes with a 5-year warranty on the motor and a 2-year warranty on the mixer. Endura 3-jar juicer mixer grinder is an appliance of the future, which applies cutting-edge technology with common sense to make your life simpler, healthier, and more fun.